Hi, I'm Chase and we're back here at D&D RV Center in Helena, Montana. And today we're going to take a look at this Columbus 384 rear den. This is a 100-inch wide fifth wheel with 5 slides on it. First thing you'll notice when you walk up to the Columbus is a beautiful front painted cap with LED lighting to help you hitch up to your truck at night or whenever. Front large storage compartment. Now I want to show you a couple things inside this compartment. You'll have 3 20-pound propane bottles on this. Usually manufacturers will give you 2 30 pounds, but you get the same amount of propane. With these smaller tanks, they're easier to get in and out of the coach. That way it makes it easier to refill them. This is a slide-out tray, so it'll go out the side, or you can access them from here. Your hydraulic reservoir for your jacks are all in here, ease of access. Easier for them to be maintained or fixed. You have 2 6-volt batteries. Now I want to talk about that a minute. Columbus puts standard 6-volt batteries with a 200-watt solar on the roof. That way, you're never gonna have to worry about power. If you ever have to drive dry camp, you won't have to worry about your batteries dying. The solar will continuously charge them. You'll also have on this coach 6-point automatic hydraulic leveling. You turn it on, you click auto level, and you're done. These 6 jacks combined can lift 60,000 pounds. You don't have to worry about being on level or having an uncomfortable camping experience. You'll have your 3rd propane tank in here. Pass-through storage. Here's your controls for your leveling. Again, turn it on, click auto level, you're done. Your heated and enclosed waterworks center. Everything is nicely laid out and labeled right here on the control panel. Outside shower, you can even turn on your water pump. All your tank valves are cable ran, so that means they're up inside the underbelly, enclosed and heated. Your water filtration system is here. A lot of manufacturers will put them behind a cabinet door where it's hard to access. Columbus makes it easy where you can change your filter from right here. 10-gallon quick recovery hot water heater, 35,000 BTU furnace. You'll have frameless windows all throughout the coach. 16-inch aluminum rims with nitro-filled tires. Again, your frameless windows, very slick looking. This one's a 50-amp service. Columbus also puts a beefy bumper on the rear. That way, if you ever do get in an accident and back into something slowly, you don't damage the fiberglass, which is a much cheaper fix on the metal than the fiberglass. Rear camera, Bluetooth enabled. Rear roof ladder. This particular model will have a 2nd awning on the back here, a 2nd entryway. Onto the main side here, you'll have a large 12-volt awning with an AlumiGuard cover over it. It also will have a 12-volt strip on it. Now Columbus has a pretty cool feature. It's called One Control. And what it does is you can download an app on your phone and you can control everything from there. So all I have to do is log in here and you can run your awnings, your slide, your lights, you can check your tank readouts. Let me show you here. You're done. You can stand back and make sure you don't hit anything when you're running your slides out or your awning. Less chance for damage. Your other side of your large storage compartment with magnetic holds, so you don't have to have the cheap clips on there that always break. Now you will have more rides step above solid step that fold into the cab, so they're out of the way. You don't have to worry about them getting broken off. Rather, very, very nice. Getting into the coach is much easier with these steps. Let's check out some features on the inside. We're inside your Columbus 384 rear den, and the first thing you might say is, wow, these coaches are absolutely beautiful. I want to take a minute and also talk about construction. Your Columbus will come with 5/8 tongue and groove flooring that is mold, mildew, and crack resistant. That way when you get to the campsite, you don't have to worry about a broken floor. All your drawers and doors will be dovetail construction. Again, nothing ruins a good weekend like broken cabinets. Corian solid surface countertops, glass backsplash. You'll have a double door 18 cubic foot gas or electric refrigerator, a center island with stainless steel double sink, residential style faucet, an oversized oven, a solid surface stovetop cover. A lot of times you see the cheap metal. This is actual solid surface. Convection or standard microwave, slide out pantry, and an excellent bar. I want to talk about the bar. You know, one of the comments I get is the kitchen table doesn't face the TV. Well, this does. You can sit, eat, and watch television. You're facing directly towards the TV, and you don't have to make a mess in the living area. Now onto the rear den. You'll have plenty of seating. 2 sofas facing each other and theater seating that do recline. Both these also fold out into beds. You'll have 6'6" slide outs with cherry hardwood fascia. An extra chair here that can be used as a footstool too. A 50-inch TV, soundbar, an infrared electric fireplace that does produce heat. Your Columbus will also have thermal pane windows. Helps with heat loss and condensation. You'll have a day and night shade. Nice looking trim around your windows. Let's head up to the bedroom. On the way up, you'll notice your one control system. Now everything can be controlled here or from the app we talked about earlier. You also will have 12-volt heat tank pads on your tanks inside your underbelly on this particular coach. You'll have a 70x80 king bed that will come with a Serta mattress. Most RV manufacturers will put cheap mattress on it. Columbus doesn't. They put Serta. 2 windows on either side for cross ventilation, a front cap closet with shelves, and a coat hanger bar. Even more storage on this side, more coat hanger space, washer and dryer prepped, and you get 2 extra chairs for the dining table. I want you to notice this huge window outside the bedroom too. You can wake up, look over the lake or wherever you might be, and you also have natural lighting in here so you won't have to use your 12-volt lights as much. 30-inch TV, soundbar, and deep drawers for your dresser. You'll also have 2 Whisper air conditioners fully ducted throughout the coach. Onto the bathroom. In the bathroom you'll have a residential style oversized shower, extra large sink, porcelain toilet, not the cheap plastic like you see on other manufacturers. This concludes my walk around of the Columbus 384 rear den. I know I didn't cover everything in this video because there's just too many great features on this coach. Why don't you stop by and I'll show you in person. I'm Chase here at D&D RV Center, where we make buying your next RV easy.